Hello friends, today I will talk about ES Lint rules. So in the last video what we have discussed how we can add ES Lint in our project. So if I show you in our project, if you see here what things we have done, like we have added uh, this ESLint file, like this will automatically generated, and what things we need to ignore. We discussed about all the key value pairs that is written here, and how we can basically configure this. This is automatic configuration that we get, and yeah, this is packages, and so what packages we have added for to add the ESLint, and what is the role of this TS-lint2, we need this or not. So currently we do not need this. We added the command lint so that you can identify the problems warnings in your project. So now today we will discuss more on, let me open that. So today we will discuss more on how you can add more rules on that, like how you can sort import. So yeah, let's deep dive into that, how we can add this, how these rules, how it will work, what is the rule. Means you can add any rule. Like let me show you how you can work on this. So let me switch to the project first. Now let me run the project, and so if we want to work on this thing, so how we can check, like how we can test our rule. So here, what tool we are going to discuss here. So currently we have single import here, we have single import here. Okay, at every place we have single. Okay, so here we have multiple imports. So now how we can sort all those things. So currently these are not in the sorted order. So how we can achieve that thing. So let me show you how we can achieve that. So I think we do not need to run the project because we are adding the rules. Okay, so what are the steps we can follow? So first, steps to autofix sort import. So here, if I go, means firstly you need to update the rules. So if you want to know more about the rules, you can check it here. What rules we can add in our project. Uh, so here, from here, we will get the information of the rules. So if you go here and check how things working, so here you can find out, like, so currently what we are doing, we are adding import sort import tools. So yeah, let's see. So if I show you, so we can find out any rule here. So if I go here, concerns, and here it is not working, sort import. Yeah, so now we get, so now if we go here, sort import, so here you will get all the information. What is the rule? What is this rule? How it makes things more readable? Like these are the sorting orders we are talking about. So we have picked this configuration here. So yeah, we can add this under the rules. So if I, we can pick it from here also. So let's pick it from here. So under the rules, so go to that file, ESLint.json. Here we have rules. So under the rules, what you can do, you can add another rule. So here we can add another rule, which is sort import, that we are going to work. So now if you run this command, you can see the warnings, like what are the issues in our project currently. So now if you see, previously the warning was not coming. So now we are getting warnings. What are the problems in our project? So these are things are not sorted. So yeah, there is a way to fix those things. So if I install this package, now again we need to update the rule so that this thing will be work perfectly. So Here we have added these things. Now again add about this package. Now I added the configuration also of that package. So now let's see, because if you want, if you means you can manually fix that, but if but you know the package. So okay, so here I think we are getting some error. So what is this error? Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to import this package. Now let's see. So yeah, let's find out why it's not working. So we added a new plugin. So we need to import this plugin, whatever the plugin we added, and now we can see. So here, if I go to this, so we can remove from there because it is not needed in the extent. So now, if I trigger this package, because this con- lint file does not know about the configuration, so we need to make it aware like we are this in this package. So now, if you see this, our file is updated now. So the things will be updated, and we are not getting that problem. So here, let me show you one more thing. So here, if I move it to this place, so if you see here, there is a difference now. So we are getting the component things, and now it basically move forward all those things. So you can understand more about. You can configure it according to your requirement. This package. So if I move this thing above the browser module, so what this package indicates, so here we will do all those things. Member syntax order none, all, ignore some member sort, ignore case, all those things. So you can configure it according to your requirement. So now if you see this B comes first, F come after this. So yeah, we can fix like that all those problems with this package. Means you do not need to manually fix all the things. You can just simply hit the command and it will work. It will solve automatically. So if you check the alphabetical order, it is perfectly fine. Like if you check here what changes this package has done. So if you see it reordered all those things, Means you do not need to manually do run the alphabets, right? So it will trigger automatically all those things. Yeah, this is about adding the rule. Thanks guys for watching.